leaving us hanging for like a decade, right? Oh my gosh. Crazy, man. Yeah, Chomsky for sure, something like that. Yo, Tree Fingers, what's going on, man? Trampolines make... Okay, frick. Okay, so we're putting together the trampoline. I'm putting away the trampoline. I'm putting it together. Don't even get me started on Rothfuss, right? Damn it. Man, Doors of Stone, supposed to be out like 5 years ago? All I want to do is check my phone right now for my father-in-law's texts. Oh, hang on, he texted me again. Oh my god. He just finished it. I think he finished almost the entire book today. Hang on. Okay, I'm streaming. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'm sorry. Usually I don't usually text, but we were texting for like the last 3 hours. I just want to be like, tell me how was it? How good was it? No, double day. He knows. We're raging about King Killer, dude. I am down. If you're down, I am down. Hit me with how upset you are. And the problem with Rothfuss is, in the second book, I feel like it probably could have been 2 books, and like somehow he smushed them into 1 book and didn't give us enough. And then like now we're waiting for this 3rd book. We don't have it. So upset about it. I'm so upset. Releasing prologue from the charity stream. I think he did, Mason. But I didn't read it because I don't want it until I have the whole thing. A bunch of my friends, I think, read the first chapter or the prologue or like whatever you're talking about. I think a few of my friends said that they read it. But I was like, don't tell me. I don't want to know until I have the whole thing kind of in my hands, you know? Now I just don't start anything till it's finished. Tree, that's actually pretty smart, I gotta tell you. That's actually a good way to do it. Yeah, it's just a good way to do it. We've got... Okay, so I'm putting together this trampoline. Hang on, I'm gonna try to finish this story. And we're all putting stuff together. And when you start it, there's this specific way you have to line up the zipper door with 3 poles past like this break in the frame. Okay? And continue with, I'm a chronic... Dude, Mason, I hate that. Like, I agree. Yes, I'm with you. I hate that excuse. He always does that. Anyway. So I put the whole thing together. Now, the way that you have to do it is you line it up and you're like, okay, door, 3 posts, little break, good. Then you put all of the rods in. There's like 50-something rods that go around the outside. Then you put the mat on, and you got to pull like each of these rods into the mat. I'm telling you, it takes so much force to pull the freaking... It's a spring-free tree. It's a spring-free. So it takes so much force to like... You're like pulling the damn things in. Do I got a sub for... Oh my gosh, Unborn, I'm so sorry, dude. Hello. I have the same thing with such a pain. Okay, so Tree, check this out though. We take it down every winter and put it back up. So I do it twice a year, okay? Or in the case of this year, 4 times. So we put all of the rods in, and I'm trying to put the I'm trying to get like the mat, and I'm like pulling, and I get to the frickin' end, and then there's this part where you have to pull the net over, and it's like maybe over the entire diameter of this stupid thing, it's like maybe, I don't know, half an inch of give, and then there's like a little bit of springiness to it, and you pull it over. My fingers are like bleeding, like it's just like, oh my, it's just like the most unpleasant thing. Yada yada yada. I was 3 posts in the wrong direction. So now I'm like already exhausted. I'm under this thing. I'm like crawling under the thing again now, and I'm trying to like pull them out, and this one will not release. Like the first one I'm trying to get out will not release, and I realize that the reason why is that I didn't shove it into the frickin' receptacle enough, and now the whole thing is under too much tension. so upset. The amount of profanity was not good. It was not good. not a shining moment. Not a shining moment, I would say. Lady Dispatch was looking at me like, you are very dumb. And what? Nice, Zombie. How are you? Thank you so much for the sub. And Fibblethip, hello. Cover your ears. Tree, no word of a lie. I was like, everyone has to go inside right now. While Daddy's putting this together, everyone has to go inside right now. And they're like, why, Dad? Right now. like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sidbeck, I wasn't like unhinged, but I was pretty upset. There was a lot of JFC and all kinds of stuff getting yelled at. It was I was like very 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 upset. Anyways, we took it apart. Finally got it apart. Oh my god. I did it wrong a second time. Took it apart, put it back together. Finally the third time I got it together. Oh my gosh. I was livid. I was so livid. And then like, you're finished. Is there a foldable but you need large spaces? There might be. We don't have. I'm not buying another one. My kids are already like on the edge of being able to even use it, right? I just had to replace our garbage disposal and asked my teenage son to touch the line, see if it was hot. I knew it wasn't, but it's funny. Make zap noise. They touch it. Oh my gosh. Like, Zombie, just like ultimate dad maneuvers, right? Oh my goodness. I love it. That's fabulous. So, yeah, anyways, it was just dumb. Dad tags, for sure. It's like, there's a point in every boy's life where oh, hey, Wing? Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. Enjoy the cuddles. There's a point in every boy's life where they are becoming a man and they realize, they have a thought where they're like, I'm going to be a dad maybe one day. Like, not like, oh, I'm just like, whatever, like relationships aside, like this is a possibility. And they go, I have to start preparing. They have these thoughts. Some of us, I guess. Some of us are not going to be dads, I suppose, and that's fine. You don't have to. But for those that realize they want to be dads, you have this realization. You're like, That happens too. Where it's like, you start off as like amazing, and then you're in the valley of the stupid for a while, and then you come back up and you're like back to like, oh, maybe that guy's actually kind of smart. I am in the valley of the stupid at the moment. Like 100%. So there we go. Please, no pooping in here. We share this space. Just pooping in. Oh my gosh. Sidbeck, I did not even see that the first time. That is fabulous. So that was my weekend. We basically had a little bit of a fit, but we did get the trampoline put together in the end. That was good. We figured out a little business venture for the boys. They're gonna try something. They're like, Dad, we're gonna start a business too. I'm like, great. I will help. You tell me what, but you got to do it. I'm not doing it. So anyway, so we're starting that, which is kind of fun. What else did we do? Oh my gosh. No injuries is a success. That actually is a fact. And then I schlepped around to stores for like 5 hours yesterday. Do you guys still go shopping in stores? Is the trampoline made of 1 million lattice mounts from Mode? Rainin? No, but I kind of wish it was. Also, is BJJ Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or is it something else? That would be awesome, actually. Do you guys still shop in stores? That's for suckers, man. Hopefully you don't get lost in a Target. Place is a trap. Unborn, we don't have Target anymore. They got rid of all Targets. But I was even out at like regular like sports like equipment. I'm like, this sucks. This sucks. Like when I go to maybe it was like the experience of like clothes shopping. It was like, oh my god. Oh, zombie, yes, that's true. But I actually don't mind a Home Depot trip. So maybe I'm just like being a very stereotypical type of like person right now where I'm like I don't like clothes shopping. I was kind of I have to buy in person. A long time ago, I realized like this is the size for a few different brands, and I'm like, I think I'm just gonna buy these online now. So I mostly just pick stuff up online. I'm just like, get me another whatever medium, get me another whatever. There's no Targets in Canada or just your area. I think Target exited Canada. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong, but I think they actually exited Canada. You guys tell me if I'm out to lunch. Didn't know this? Yeah, someone will call me out if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure. I'm lucky. Oh my gosh! Except Unborn, we have the opposite problem where then if we go to the U.S., oh, then it's just like Christmas. Lady Dispatch is like, there's Target, and we're going to Target. Can confirm, no Target again. Because then it's like you've got the backlash of all of like your Target envy like stored up, and then when you get to the Target, it's like, you guys do whatever. Go look at video games, all three of you, like me and the two boys. She's like, go look at video games, mommy shopping. See you later. Like, Canadians love U.S. Costco stores. Actually, I don't think I've been to a Costco in the U.S., but I'm sure I will this summer because we're all four of us are coming down for Keeb Life and we're spending a fair bit of time, so we'll probably do some grocery shopping. I could link a YouTube video of why Target left Canada. Oh boy, maybe don't. There's a YouTube video from a channel called You Betcha or something like that, and they have like the Target. It is fact based. They have like the Target husbands like support group or something in the parking lot. Have you seen this one, Tuntlerat? It's so funny. It's so funny. Where it's like these two husbands are just like waiting in the parking lot and they start this like club, and then like another guy walks up and like whatever. Oh my god, have you not seen this? Hang on. Let me send it to you. If you guys don't know this one, let me send it to you. 1 second. It's like You Betcha Target parking lot. Let me see. Husbands of Target is what it's called here. Husband, copy link here. This is the one. For his, I should. Here, this is the link. This came out a long time ago. But it's called Husbands of Target. It's funny. If you have a partner who enjoys going to Target, it's funny. If Target isn't like your jam, but you have a partner who loves it, it's extra funny. That's what I'll say. That's absolutely what I'll say. So okay, past that. When my wife has to run to a store, she has a 50-50 shot if I'll be in the same parking spot when she comes out. Definitely inconsistent stock. Yeah, that's true. Okay, check this out. Wait, did I turn this camera on? Let's see. Oh, it's shaking, and let's see. There we go. Okay, see if you can spot the new addition here. Anything? Oh. The DJ Peng? No, the DJ Peng is not new. It is the Rainy Day Rudori. Oh, gasp! Huge shout outs to you. Found one. You know what? I did not find one. You know who found one? You know who actually freaking found one? Sloth. Bro, Sloth found one and he's like, Gio, you want it? I'm like, how can I even waffle on this when I've been like complaining about it for so long? Like, can you just get a rainy day tattoo already? Okay, but come on, seriously, how nice is that? I was like, okay, that's pretty sweet. Plus, I had done some with how much you use rainy. You really need a rainy day. Well, in fact, that's what I thought, right? And I was using the muted retro, but I was like, you know what? I feel like the actual thing matches a little bit nicer, so I was kind of excited. That being said, the horns on the on the rainy day and the body of the kind of muted retro one, actually, it's not too far off. This one's a little bit icier and this one's a little bit greener, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, let's lock this one down. Let's do an unboxing. Let's get to it. Okay, we finished the coffee. Let's move this out of the way. Let's get the box up here. If you guys haven't seen this, it's quite good. It's quite impressive. Okay. Stoked to see a floppy processor. You know what? Honestly, these mats are so nice, and the thickness of them, they're so thick. The packaging, which I know doesn't matter, but the fact that it comes in a paper tube is so nice. I actually looked for paper tube packaging for dispatch, but you can't get one that has a wide enough radius. It's got to be like a chocolate box. I don't know. Anyways, it didn't work out. So what can I say? All right, here is the Zoom 75 box. And look at the side. Hang on a second. What mat is this? Exclamation mark desk mat. Always. You guys, before I go live, exclamation mark keyboard and exclamation mark desk mat are usually updated in advance of go live. So for the most part, yo, Darko, what's up, buddy? What is going on? There you go. So if you're ever wondering, yo, thanks, Darko. Am I sounding pasty? I'm sorry. Cheers. The exclamation mark desk mat, you can see here my thumb is ripped up from the trampoline. Exclamation mark desk mat and exclamation mark keyboard are usually updated. So, and I always have the what it is and where to get it. I include where to get it even if it's out of stock, just in case. And then you can say, oh, does anyone know? Oh, hang on a second. I was going to close this up. So look at the size of this box. It's actually pretty wide. I would say this is about 6 inches, maybe 5 inches or so. It's quite nice. You can see all of the color options here on the back. So thick with 3 C's. Absolutely. Check this out. Right? Like so. Melatrix is embossed with gold lettering on the front. Look at that. You can see it. So nice. So nice. Okay. When you open it, look at this. You're greeted with all of your kind of options here, right? You've got your 2 keys kit, your badges kit. This is if you want to add badges or 2 extra switches. You've got a knob kit, 2U LCD, color LCD kit. You guys already know the options. You guys have seen the Zoom 75, but if you haven't, the fact that it comes with this screen is kind of the thing, right, about it. Oh, look at that. Little, man, they've got this ribbon cable really bent around the corner here. That's pretty sick. And then it's got the little glass cover here. Also nice. Fabulous. Okay. Looking good. You got the little ribbon cable in there too. Everything looking good. Okay. So actually, while we're at it, let's put this back in like this. And like this. And then we'll put this one like so. Okie dokie. Put this back in the box for now. It's a really nice screen. Darko, have you 65? Dude, this screen is like, and the resolution on it's pretty damn nice. Tools, screws, standoffs, etc. Foam. And then check this out. You've got this like wave design on the outside. Look at that. And now not only does it come with this fabulous box, you also get this case with it. Okay. Look. Check this out. Boom. You get this case with it. Hang on, I'm gonna zip this back closed. I want you to see this. Check this out. Again, this is thick. The case is an extra. Well, I mean, the fact that it's got the actual printed top and the fact that it's got this rubber exterior, this is a